Yo YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back in my another video tutorial, and today we'll be talking about how to get unlimited rubies in coins in Cooking Diary. As you can see, I've already installed in my device Cooking Diary++ application. It's like the modded version who allowed you to generate for our account unlimited rubies and coins. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how it works. Okay, firstly, after install we must enter amount of coins as we want. I put this number because why not? The same on the rubies. Okay. And the next step is press button generate, and now that's it. As you can see, everything is generated. So wait to finish this process. After complete this process, our account will be open and everything, coins and rubies, will be generated for our account. So wait one moment and I show you, and boom, what happened here. Look at this. Now I have unlimited rubies and coins in this application absolutely for free. So as you can see, everything is work. It's awesome. Where I found this application? I found from this website, Zino app. How to get Cooking Diary++ application for your Android or iOS device in 2023. This is so easy. To get Cooking Diary++, we must open browser, go to this website Zino app, as you can see, scroll down or type this the Cooking Diary++. This is it, and all you need to do to get this application, press button install now. Very important thing, wait to finish this process because the last step is human verification. Follow all instructions after complete every step from this verification. For your device will be install Cooking Diary++. I skip this verification because I already done before I record this video. So follow all instructions after complete. Cooking Diary++ will be download and install for your Android or iOS device in 2023. Enjoy and thank you for watching.